Nice job.
Never back down, never what? A little different than all the rest.
Hey guys, it's Ashley and welcome back to another vlog. So for today's vlog, we are doing a glow up transformation. I want to dedicate this week into making myself feel good, not just on the outside but also the inside. I am off to the salon. I'm actually gonna get a haircut and probably a hair color as well. 1, 2.
I would love just to be stuck to your side, not with anybody. You're gonna wanna be my, don't think so. I don't think I'm meant to understand. I'll trade all of your things for all my things. Just waited this long, and I.
So, haircut is done. Guys, sobrang saya ko. Na-achieve nila yung gusto ko. Actually, matagal na akong nagpapa-haircut doon and extensions before. So, bumalik lang ako since sa QC area siya. I love their service. This is not sponsored at all. So,
I can't let you go, baby. I just wanna tell you that. No, 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 no.
you guys know that I love my yogurt. And before going here, I actually researched on a lot of things. I was supposed to do the no sugar diet, pero trinay ko yung dati 1 week. Ang nangyari, napanaginipan ko yung favorite dessert ko, as in yung M Bakery tres leches. As in, ang lala, I tried to do it for like 1 week and it's no way sustainable for me. Since some of the yogurts nga are loaded with added sugar, so sugar can actually cause acne, stomach pain, and fatigue. And they suggested these healthier options. You can just screenshot it for reference. And now I'm actually looking for them. Favorite ko yun eh, pantawid ng gutom yogurt. I need it for my chia pudding recipe also. They said this is the healthier option. So we're gonna try it out.
I can't let you go, baby. 'Cause I love you, I love you, I love you. No, no, no.
Restocking my Ziploc bag. Sobrang helpful neto whenever I make those pre-made rice. And I got the Hello Kitty one. So cute. Alam mo, feel ko parang nagbabahay-bahayan lang ako minsan eh. Guys, I'm so sad. My Dior sandals broke. Sobrang favorite ko to. As in, gamit na gamit ko to. Alam niyo yung shoes na hindi ko na kailangan mag-isip kung anong susuotin ko. This one's so comfy. Like, I swear, these are my favorite sandals. Although, I feel like it's repairable. It's like my beaters na pair. So nice and comfy. I'm just so sad it's broken. Araw-araw mo ba naman suotin, diba? Hey guys, so now it's time for a ref restock. I don't know if you guys noticed, but these are my favorite videos to make. And if napanood niyo yung mga previous videos ko na ganito, you would definitely tell yung haul natin ay nag-glow up na. Remember kasi before nakaka-receive pa ako ng mga comments sa inyo na you are worried kasi puro instant food yung kinakain ko. But now I am really proud of my progress and the healthier choices I've been making in terms of my lifestyle and my diet. And actually guys, medyo matagal na rin naman na akong parang naging healthier yung lifestyle ko. Although, ang nangyayari kasi, binibili ko yung mga meal plan. Parang weekly ako nagsusubscribe sa mga meal plan online. And I kind of want to try doing it on my own this time. So, that's what we're gonna do. And nag-invest na ako, guys, kasi gusto ko matry naman na ako yung gagawa ng mga meal prep. So, here are the things that I bought for my meal prep journey. These are all from Shopee. I got this chia overnight oats na lalagyanan. It comes with a spoon. And ito, sobrang tuwang-tuwa ko dito kasi ang affordable niya. Pero ang ganda ng quality. As in, ang taas kasi ng reviews niya. So I was intrigued. And I'm happy about the color. As in, totoo naman siya kung ano yung itsura sa pictures. Ganun yung itsura niya. Then I also got more ref organizers. These basket for my fruits and berries. Ang tagal ko na naghahanap ng ganito. Ang hirap makahanap. Sa Shopee ko lang siya nakita. I also got some bottles for green juice and more lalagyanan for all of my veggies. Now we're done making the pudding. I'm just gonna put this containers and I'm gonna leave them overnight. So for my meal prep, I'm going to make salmon salad and also creamy pasta bake. Nakapaglaga na ako ng mga potatoes and I'm just gonna air fry the salmon and also the chicken para mabilis. Okay, it's time to air fry the salmon, and just a tip, if may air fryer kayo pero di nyo siya ginagamit kasi nakakatamad maghugas after, I bought these disposable paper thingies. I'm just gonna link them down below. It's from Shopee. Kung tapos na kayo, you can just like throw the paper and hindi madudumihan yung air fryer nyo. So now it's time for me to make the green juice, and I'm gonna use this blender over here. It's my Smeg blender. Itong Smeg blender na to, di ko alam kung na-share ko sa inyo, but it was a birthday gift of Sean this year. And nakakatawa kasi meron ng Smeg sa Shopee and he got it for like a discounted price kasi inaabangan niya yung mga sale, and may official store na dun sa Shopee. Yun yung maganda kapag bumibili kayo ng mga appliances online. You can actually use vouchers to get huge discounts. And by the way, all of the items that I am showing you will be listed. There's a new shopping feature here on YouTube, wherein if you click these icons over here, you can check out through Shopee. This is the part where I will be giving myself, or my face rather, an ice bath. Let's go! You know, I've seen this hack multiple times already, most especially from the patients who have gone through rhinoplasty. If you aren't aware, I actually got a nose job as well. And sabi nila, isa to sa mga hacks para hindi maging swollen yung nose mo. But, if you didn't get a nose job, don't worry, darling. You can still do this. It has a lot of skin benefits. Go search it up on Google. Let the ice bath begin. I don't know how many minutes should I do this. Maybe 30 seconds? I don't know. Wish me luck. 1, 2, 3. I'm okay. Wait, di ako nagbilang. Okay, I'm just gonna put it until di ko na kaya. It's really nice over here. I'm actually questioning my life decisions right now. So, how's life, guys? Well, for me, ito, ganito lang ako. Busy magpaganda, I guess. Okay, that feels good. Okay, I highly recommend for you guys to try this. You just need water in the freezer and then that's it. Ow, 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 brain freeze. Okay, I think that's enough. Ooh. Sabi nila ito daw yung secret ni Hailey Bieber eh. Siyempre gagawin natin lahat para mapansin yung Justin Bieber.
What? What'd you say?
First thing we're gonna do is importance of stretching. Now my shoulders doesn't hurt when I work out or after I work out. And then after my workouts, where my stimulate muscles more.
Do you have any piece of advice for me?
Just be consistent. Make it a happy activity when you're working out.
Okay, thanks, Coach. What if I'm sleepy and hungry, Coach?
Yun yung best time. Yung parang ayaw mo.
You know what's the best time I get to dress up for it? Look at my outfit, girl.
Before we work out, I just want to show you the supplements I take for like months now. Ayan, paubos ko na. I have my apple cider vinegar gummies para hindi ako nagki-crave ng mga sweets and all. So, drink this one, garlic. This was recommended by Sean. Parang less yung breakout ko, less yung pimples ko because of this one. And then I also take fish oil. This one's good for the heart naman. Also, sobrang favorite ko, TC, guys. This is not sponsored. I really buy this one. Pag ayoko maging bloated, I drink this one. Whoa! That's good! Got us some breakfast. That's not healthy. Oh my goodness.
This one, these ones are the bomb, baby. Like, holy crap. But that's not healthy. That's not sure.
What?
It only makes you miserable.
Never back down, never what? Never give up. Bakit ganun? Hey guys, so it's a new day already and I will be unboxing my new Pilates board. I'm so excited because I genuinely enjoyed Pilates, as in feeling ko yung katawan ko pang low impact exercises siya dahil mabilis akong hingalin, I have asthma. Parang mabilis akong mapagod talaga and nakita ko yung difference ng body ko nung naging active ako because of Pilates. And medyo mahal kasi yun, and when I found this online, I was like, gosh, ito na yung sign ko, feeling ko maa-addict talaga ako. And it's gonna be good for my body as well, so I got it already. It also comes in my favorite color, pink. So I am currently in the middle of doing my everything shower and I just want to show you guys my latest discovery. This is not sponsored. I just saw that this is what Kim Kardashian uses, as in this exact brand and product. This is basically Kerastase hair gloss. You know that kind of hair after going to the salon, diba? Parang ang shiny. This is like one way to achieve that. This is by applying it on my hand and then just going over the ends of my hair. No need na for the roots. And then I'm just gonna leave this on for 2 to 3 minutes and then I'm gonna go back to the shower. And optional naman tong step na to, pero magka-conditioner din ako as well. Now it's time for my lazy girl blowout tutorial. Okay, first is I brush my hair with a wet brush. This is my favorite brush ever kasi detangling brush siya, walang sabit kapag ginagamit ko. Para ako nagpa-treatment sa salon pero nag-hair gloss lang talaga ako. Okay, so first step is to protect my hair. I use this one from Tresemme. So I just like spray that. Don't take heat protected for granted. Lalo na if araw-araw kayo nagsastyle ng hair. I'm just gonna dry my hair but not super dry because you need it to be damp. And for my hair mousse, I use this one from Hair Treats. This one is a very, very crucial step kasi ito yung magbibigay ng volume sa hair nyo. Ang dami nagsasabi na malagkit daw yung hair nila because of the hair mousse. The secret is dapat madaanan talaga siya ng heat. So, kapag nadaanan naman na ng heat, hindi malagkit. And then, I just part my hair from here on the top of my ear. So, ganyanin ko siya. And then, for this one, kunyari, left side ako magkukulot. I'm just gonna twist it to the left. Grab the almost end part, so this will assist you on wrapping your hair on the Dyson Airwrap. So, do it like so. Do this for 20 seconds. And then cold shot it for 10 seconds. And ta-da! You have a curl like that. So this is me after curling the whole thing. I know it looks crazy right now, but brush out your hair and it's gonna be a super nice blowout. Guys, this combo with the hair gloss. And then for the finishing touches, this is what I use for making my curls last longer. Basically, it's a sea salt spray. It's not a hairspray since yung hairspray kasi guys, parang ayoko yung matigas na curls. So yeah, that is my lazy girl blowout routine. So this is the finished look. Not only I look good, I feel good. That's the type of confidence we are trying to radiate right here. So we are almost halfway done through the year, and I just want to say that if ever you feel like rebranding yourself, reinventing yourself, it's never too late. Try, explore, maybe start a new hobby, create this like sustainable routine for yourself. Go for it. This is your sign. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye! Mwah.